This video will walk you through our seamless manufacturing features and functionality. Stok.ly provides a complete overview of all your warehouses and manufacturing locations, whether on-site or located around the globe, giving you full oversight of raw materials held at each location ready for cool-down, and of course, your inventory of finished goods ready for sale. Manage manufactured items with BOMs, raw material inventory and pricing. How much time do your teams waste tracking raw material inventory on spreadsheets? Stok.ly's real-time multi-location AI inventory management puts you in control. Create manufacturing runs from sales orders and pre-allocate goods on sales orders against items on manufacturing runs. Receive finished manufactured goods into your warehouses, depots, and stores, recording reject rates, yields, and accurate unit cost prices. Stok.ly-Cloud-ERP is a user-friendly, flexible solution designed to help manufacturers, retailers, and wholesalers simplify your tech stack, automate process, and scale. Go digital and use the Stok app to manage pick lists and move raw materials to manufacturing stations when they are needed. Receive finished goods into your warehouse and print custom barcode labels on demand. Automate sales order processing using our rules engine to streamline your warehouse. The AI demand forecasting tool empowers your team to manage replenishment proactively at the SKU level at each location, meaning you can forecast demand for raw materials and finished goods. Automatically create stock transfers, purchase orders, and manufacturing runs to replenish raw materials and finished manufactured items. Our game-changing AI features mean you can use Stok.ly like you use ChatGPT. For example, ask AI to show you sales for the last 90 days of manufactured goods, calculate sell-through rates on finished goods, and then forecast stock requirements for the next 30 days for raw materials and finished goods. Use AI to analyze raw material costs, gross profits, and manufacturer performance, and make better decisions using game-changing insight. So what's stopping you? With Stok.ly, you'll have the tools to accurately forecast demand, purchase raw materials, pick and move raw materials to manufacturing stations, create and schedule manufacturing runs, and scale, all in one platform. Let's take your business to the next level.